Gerard Brown. My company name is Clean Bin Heroes. I'm the VP of Operations. So what it meant to us was actually having a cleaner everyday living, especially with the times that we're going through right now. It's something that's pretty crazy that nobody ever saw, and then just something simple. This is the same way people get sick and people don't know it. So with us being able to be into this business, making sure that we have a cleaner part of society, I think that's the best way to be able to move forward and just make this something that's a regular maintenance among households and businesses. All right, so at first we were just intrigued by the simple fact that this was a business. Once we started shopping around and calling other places, we called the competition, we called another gentleman who does his own thing. But what we kind of found out was one was a franchise, and then the pricing, businesses, everything has to do with money, was just way too high. And then the other company, they had never actually even been in the business. They were only producing trucks. So when I actually got a hold of Greg here at EcoWash, not only was he in the business, but he actually told us the proper way to go about getting more business, how the business runs, and every single step of the way. So what I loved about it was, it was almost like breaking down a little, 10-step plan of this is exactly what you do in order to be successful, and that's literally why we went with him. And, it's been a great fit. So what we were looking for, we found exactly what we were looking for in EcoWash Industries. They had all the answers, they had all the equipment, they had, they engineer everything themselves. So anything that came upon them, they didn't turn anybody away. They were always willing to work with anything and any challenge that they faced that made them just a better company, which is ultimately going to make us a better company. So ultimately, yeah, we did shop a couple other companies, but we were ultimately looking for somebody who was in the business. EWI, like I said, had all the answers for us, and really it made the decision pretty easy because they were in the business, they knew what to do, compared to one experience we had where it seemed like somebody was just trying to make a lot of money on people in the long run, and then the other piece of competition, they just had never been in the business, so they didn't have the right answers. So that's why we ultimately went with EWI. So what's important for us, just the simple fact that you can actually call Greg, the owner himself. He picks up the phone, he talks you through everything. As we go forward in the future, building our company, getting more vehicles, just having a better relationship with him. What's really important to us is just having somebody who will answer the phone, plain and simple. Somebody who's actually going to be there to support you, help you, and everything else. And that's exactly what we found. So we're very pleased with that. We feel extremely confident that we're going to get the support from EcoWash. Like I said, me and the owner, Greg, have now just seemed to be a great relationship. We actually talk once a week. And like I said, he's always been there to do anything that we ask or request or help or anything else. So like I said, I don't see any problem with moving forward with having any issues with that. Oh, most definitely. We're definitely going to come back as our company expands to buy all of our equipment from EWI. Like I said, they're very innovative. They're always trying to be ahead of the curve. So the equipment just keeps getting better and better and better. So I definitely would shop for all my equipment, all my trucks, everything just right here. All right, so for somebody who's actually looking to get into this business themselves, EcoWash Industries is definitely the place to go. Like I said, no matter what you come up with, any type of containers, anything, any kind of problem that you want to solve, like I said, their engineers are bar none. They come up with extraordinary designs, and they're always eager to help. So I would definitely come here if you want to start this in any place, and this is the place to go.